Hi, I'm Dave,
And I'm Victoria.
and we're here to congratulate you on your new mattress purchase from Woodstock Furniture and to give you a few helpful hints to get the most out of your new sleeping experience.
So your new mattress is always going to be firmer at first. In our showroom, people have been on and off them so many times they're at that break-in period and they feel great. But the mattress that we are going to deliver to you, in some cases are a day or a few straight from the factory, so they're absolutely going to feel firmer at first. So you'll do the break-in period in your own home, and as silly as this may sound, if you get a new mattress and it feels kind of firm, walk on it. I know it sounds funny, but it really will help break the mattress in and give you that showroom feeling. Some mattresses today are temperature sensitive, so Tempur-Pedic being the best example of this. So if you purchase a mattress on a particularly cold day and receive delivery, you're going to notice it's much firmer than in the showroom. But that's okay. It's going to warm up to room temperature really quick, and then you can begin your break-in process at home.
Your new mattress is designed to provide superior comfort and support, but for the first 60 days, you may notice some minor soreness. That's because your body is acclimated to your old mattress. But don't worry, you're on your way to better sleep and great health. Because of innovations in the mattress industry, your mattress is made with higher quality than ever before. It's actually designed to conform to your body. With the exception of Tempur-Pedic, you might notice a slight body signature as you lay down on your mattress, but this is expected and perfectly normal. It's just proof that your mattress is providing the high level of comfort that you need.
Another recommended tip is to use a mattress protector. Not a quilted mattress pad, but a thin, waterproof mattress protector. As humans, we all shed skin cells and we have sweat and natural oils from the body that land in our mattress. So do a protector, something waterproof, and there is a benefit to buying a mattress protector from your sales associate when you buy a mattress from Woodstock, and protect your investment.
Again, we want to congratulate you on your new mattress purchase from Woodstock Furniture and Mattress Outlet, and thank you so much for the privilege of serving you. Please refer to your consumer awareness guide as it will answer many of the questions that you have, and also feel free to contact your salesperson or any member of the Woodstock team as we are here to serve you. From all of us here at Woodstock Furniture and Mattress Outlet, thank you again, and deep sleep and good health to you.